Updating your email address on HBO Max is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the HBO Max website or open the app and log in using your current email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon located in the upper right corner. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Account settings. Step 3. Find email address section. In the account settings, look for the section labeled Email or Account Information. This is where you can view and edit your registered email address. Step 4. Update your email. Click on the option to edit or change your email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field and double-check for accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. By following these steps, you can easily update your email address on HBO Max. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages to complete the process.